Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to transfer money quickly and efficiently? Maybe you were paying a bill, sending money to a friend, or even investing in a new venture. If so, you've probably considered using ACH transfers. But does Ally Bank offer this convenient feature? Let's dive into the details and find out. What are ACH transfers? Explanation: ACH transfers, or automated clearinghouse transfers, are electronic payments that are processed through a network of financial institutions. They're a popular choice for both individuals and businesses because they're often faster and more cost-effective than traditional wire transfers. Ally Bank, a brief overview. Introduction: before we get into ACH transfers, let's quickly recap what Ally Bank is all about. Ally is a leading online bank known for its high-yield savings accounts, competitive mortgage rates, and excellent customer service. But does their range of services include ACH transfers? Does Ally do ACH transfers? The answer: yes, Ally Bank does offer ACH transfers. This means you can easily transfer money between your Ally accounts or to external accounts at other financial institutions. How to set up ACH transfers on Ally. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Ally account, access your online banking dashboard. Navigate to the Transfers section, look for the option that allows you to transfer funds. Choose ACH Transfer, select this option to initiate an ACH transfer. Enter recipient information, provide the necessary details about the account you're transferring money to, including the account number and routing number. Specify the amount, input the amount you want to transfer. Review and confirm, double-check the details, and confirm the transfer. Types of ACH transfers offered by Ally. Standard ACH transfers: these are the most common type of ACH transfer and typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Same-day ACH transfers: for a fee, Ally offers same-day ACH transfers, which can be completed within the same business day. Recurring ACH transfers: set up automatic recurring ACH transfers to pay bills or make regular payments. Benefits of using ACH transfers with Ally. Convenience: ACH transfers are easy to set up and can be done entirely online. Speed: while standard ACH transfers take a few days, Ally offers same-day transfers for those who need faster results. Cost-effectiveness: ACH transfers are generally more affordable than wire transfers, especially for larger amounts. Security: Ally employs robust security measures to protect your financial information and ensure the safety of your ACH transfers. Common questions about ACH transfers with Ally. Are there any fees associated with ACH transfers? Ally may charge a fee for same-day ACH transfers, but standard ACH transfers are typically free. How long does it take for an ACH transfer to be completed? Standard ACH transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, while same-day ACH transfers can be completed within the same business day. Can I cancel an ACH transfer? You may be able to cancel an ACH transfer under certain circumstances, but it's important to contact Ally customer service promptly if you need to do so. Conclusion. Recap. In conclusion, Ally Bank does offer ACH transfers, making it a convenient option for transferring money between your Ally accounts or to external accounts. With different types of ACH transfers available, including standard, same-day, and recurring options, Ally provides flexibility to suit your needs. Call to action: if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to transfer money, consider using ACH transfers through Ally Bank. Visit their website or contact their customer service for more information. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.